This Route 66 Connect. You know I came from nothing.
Purchase your tracks today.
The gutter. D-boys always loved me. G's gonna ride with me. Banned me from the beach, cause I couldn't stop dripping. Pretty ladies with me, gripping grain and always sipping. Matter of fact.
What's cracking, YouTube? It's your boy Spank the World. And first and foremost, I want to hope everybody out there enjoying their day to day. Y'all already know me, man. I ain't gonna keep y'all too long. But before we get started, man, I want y'all to do me a favor, man. Can y'all hit that notification bell? Subscribe to the channel, man. Like, share the videos, comment, all that, man. I appreciate that. We on our way to 1K real soon. Trust me, we gonna get there. But you know, just grinding, getting it out the mud, man. That's how I get down, baby. But like I said, I ain't gonna keep y'all too long. Just here with a quick update on double nickel on my SS, Monte Carlo SS. Today we're gonna get double nickel's little windshield fixed, man. When I bought the car, I had a crack in the windshield, and I mean, it ain't in the line of, you know, it ain't in my line of vision or anything, but it's just irritating me. And so, you know, I finally just decided to break down and get the windshield fixed. And along with a bunch of other things, like I told y'all in the previous videos. And if y'all haven't watched them, man, go back and watch them previous videos on double nickel, man. And like I told y'all in the previous videos, I'm just trying to tighten it up. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, with any used car, it's gonna need something, man. And you know, it's a decent car, low miles, but it needed a couple things. So that's all I'm doing, man. So I just wanted to update y'all on some of the things I done did to it. Some of the more things, you know, it's a couple more things I gotta do to it. But like I say, I ain't gonna talk too much, man. Just get this camera turned around, show y'all double nickel, my little Monte Carlo SS, man. Show y'all some of the things I did on it, and show y'all some of the things I'm gonna do on it. So, you know, like I said, subscribe, stay tuned. Appreciate all my subscribers. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. Really, really appreciate that, man. It's been a long journey, you know. Like I say, it ain't been easy, but like I said, I'm doing something I like, man, and I ain't gonna stop. So hit that subscribe button. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. The channel really wouldn't be much without all the subscribers I got already. So, and it's gonna get better when I get more subscribers. And the more subscribers I get, like I said, the more footage we gonna do. You know what I'm saying? It's like I ain't gonna do everything or, you know, exalt all my options in the beginning, especially when the channel ain't all the way where it need to be. But once we get this thing where it need to be, man, it's on and popping. But like I say, that's too much talking. Let me get this camera turned around and show y'all double nickel and some of the things I done did to it. So let's see, we start with the interior. It's clean. Might need vacuum. I ain't gonna lie, I do need vacuum though, but interior pretty clean. I'm trying to see if I can get, it's not showing up on camera, but the windshield crack is right here, all the way down. Like I say, it's not in my line of, you know, my line of vision, but it's just irritating. Get that new windshield, get that off of there, get my oil change thing. But yeah, that's another thing I done did already. Got my oil change. Gotta keep them fluids fresh. I need this for the new windshield. That's my receipt / you know, date and whatnot when I need my new oil change. So I'll put that on the new windshield. But yeah, man, interior clean. Nice gray leather. Sunroof. Let's see if the miles will pop up for you. I don't know if y'all can see the miles. 83,900, 84,000 miles. Definitely ain't bad. So far, man, like I said, when I got it, it needed a few things. So far, I've done front struts, front rotors and pads. I don't know if you can see in there, them brand new rotors, brand new pads. I did rear rear rotors and rear pads. I don't know if y'all can see down in there. Brand new pads, brand new rotors. What else? Like I said, oil change, front struts. Open this hood, show y'all these new struts. Y'all go watch the previous video, y'all would have seen, if y'all was paying attention to when I was showing the engine, y'all would have seen that the struts weren't looking too hot. I know I seen it, which I knew when I bought it needed struts because they had them ass rims on here. So, hold on, give me a second, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the new struts. So you got new struts, look brand new in there, not rusted no more. If you'd have seen the previous video, kind of rusted in there. And then I guess the struts come with this little thing. I guess that show people that they done been replaced. We got the new front struts. Look at this engine cleaned off. Definitely gotta get this engine cleaned off. New front struts. So yeah, man, like I say, I just been tightening it up just in case somebody got their eye on it and want to drop that bread. It's gonna be all the way tightened up. See them new rotors in there, shiny, brand new. There we go. I'll get a good picture for y'all in there. New rotors, new pads. That was a good picture. So yeah, like I say, man, I'm just tightening it up. And right now, like I said, I got that. See if I can pick up that crack. I don't know if it's even gonna pick up that crack. But I got that crack in the windshield. So like I said, right now we waiting on the windshield dude, man. So I'm gonna get this thing turned off and we're gonna turn it back on when the windshield guys get here. So where y'all coming from, man?
Cuyahoga Falls.
Precision Glass.
Yep.
What's the address?
1407 Main Street.
Okay. Y'all do windshield, all automotive glass, rear windshield.
Anything, any auto glass. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, that was like that when you opened it?
Yep. Yeah, it was broke right there. That's how I was like, wow.
Crazy. Yeah. Okay, guys, here go the new windshield. They got it prepped and ready. Mirror, go rear view mirror. I think there's something like the antenna or the remote start. Then.
They sealed the bottom out.
Okay, guys, so they done got the windshield removed. And these boys good. These boys working quick. So y'all can see. Whole windshield gone. They ain't waste no time. And this just the remote start type of thing. Rear view mirror. I said them boys ain't waste no time, quick and fast. So yeah, we gonna wait on them to install it, and then I'm gonna get this camera turned around and show y'all how it turned out. Okay, guys, so that turned out good. If anybody need a windshield or a rear windshield or any auto glass, man, Precision Auto Glass out in Cuyahoga Falls over on Main Street, man. And like I said, I called around, I called a few places, and they was the cheapest. They came to me, and for real, they didn't take them long. Probably took them about 25 minutes. And it's all done, man. So let me get this camera turned around and show y'all how the windshield turned up. Got that tape on there. Tape got to stay on there for 24 hours. Let the windshield settle. But we good, baby. Brand new windshield, no more crack, no more rock chips. I think it was a rock chip like up towards this area that made the crack. Probably was a rock chip at first, then probably in the colder weather or something, crack got bigger or something. So, and that's another thing, man. If y'all get any, if y'all going down the highway or something, man, y'all get one of them little rock chips. I would suggest y'all get it taken care of, because like I say, when I looked up there, that old one had a rock chip. And I'm quite sure that's where the crack came from. Probably just cracked all the way down, so. But yeah, man, turned out cool, man. I'm happy. Like I say, the crack just started irritating me. It wasn't in my vision or anything. And you know, I probably wouldn't have got pulled over or anything for it, but it was irritating me. So this back how it should be, man. New windshield and crack gone, whatnot. So like I said, I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Hit that subscribe button for me. Stay with me, man. There's more to come.